Are you interested in starting a digital marketing with AI business but don't know where to start? Stay tuned. We're diving into something that's absolutely revolutionizing the business world right now. In this video, we're talking about 5 incredible business ideas that combine digital marketing with artificial intelligence. So, if you've been looking for ways to start your own business or scale your existing one, this video is packed with opportunities that could change your financial future. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get straight into the video. The intersection of digital marketing and artificial intelligence isn't just a trend anymore. It's the future of business, and it's happening right now. Companies are desperately looking for solutions that can help them reach their customers more effectively, automate their processes, and get better results from their marketing efforts. That's where these 5 business ideas come in. The first business idea is artificial intelligence-powered social media management services. Social media management is already a massive industry, but when you add artificial intelligence into the mix, you're looking at something completely game-changing. Traditional social media management involves a lot of manual work, such as creating content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, analyzing performance metrics. It's time-consuming and expensive for businesses. But here's where artificial intelligence transforms everything. You can create a business that uses AI tools to automate content creation, optimize posting schedules based on audience behavior, and even generate personalized responses to customer inquiries. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI can help you create engaging content at scale. Artificial intelligence analytics platforms can determine the best times to post for maximum engagement, and AI chatbots can handle customer service inquiries 24/7. The beauty of this business model is that you can serve multiple clients simultaneously because AI handles much of the heavy lifting. You're not trading time for money in the traditional sense. Instead, you're leveraging technology to create scalable solutions. Small businesses typically pay anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per month for social media management services. When you can deliver better results with less manual labor thanks to artificial intelligence, your profit margins increase significantly. To get started, you'll need to invest in AI tools and platforms. You can open a free account with some of them, others you have to pay a monthly fee. Be sure to do your research. Then you'll need to learn how to use these tools effectively and create systems that can handle multiple clients. The learning curve isn't too steep, and there are tons of online resources to help you master these AI tools. The second business idea is artificial intelligence-driven content creation and search engine optimization services. Content is still king in the digital marketing world, but creating high-quality, search engine-optimized content consistently is one of the biggest challenges businesses face. This is where artificial intelligence-driven content creation becomes incredibly valuable. You can build a business that helps companies create blog posts, product descriptions, email campaigns, and website copy using AI tools, while ensuring everything is optimized for search engines. What makes this business model so powerful is that artificial intelligence can analyze search trends, identify high-performing keywords, and create content that's specifically designed to rank well in search results. Tools like Surfer, ClearScope, and MarketMuse can help you understand what content performs best in any niche. Then you can use AI writing tools to create that content at scale. But here's the key. It's not just about using AI to write content. It's about using AI strategically to create content that actually drives business results. This means understanding how to prompt AI tools effectively, how to edit and refine AI-generated content. Also, how to integrate that content into comprehensive search engine optimization strategies. The demand for this service is enormous. Every business needs content, but most don't have the time or expertise to create it effectively. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per piece of content, depending on the complexity and length. If you're creating comprehensive content strategies for clients, you can charge $2,000 to $1,000 per month. The startup costs are relatively low. You'll need subscriptions to artificial intelligence writing tools and search engine optimization software. The main investment is your time learning how to use these tools effectively and building systems that can deliver consistent results. The third business idea is artificial intelligence-powered email marketing automation. Email marketing remains one of the highest return on investment marketing channels, but most businesses struggle with personalization and automation. They send generic emails to their entire list, which leads to low engagement rates and poor results. Artificial intelligence changes this completely by enabling hyper-personalized email campaigns that adapt to individual subscriber behavior. You can create a business that helps companies implement AI-driven email marketing systems. This includes using artificial intelligence to segment email lists based on behavior patterns and creating personalized subject lines. Also, sorts content for different segments and optimizing send times for maximum open rates. Artificial intelligence can also help with A and B testing email elements and predicting which subscribers are most likely to convert. Tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and ConvertKit now offer AI-powered features, but most businesses don't know how to use them effectively. That's where your expertise comes in. You can help businesses set up these systems, create email sequences that nurture leads automatically, and optimize their campaigns for better performance. The beauty of this business model is that email marketing directly impacts revenue, so clients can see clear return on investment from your services. You can charge setup fees ranging from $1,000 to $5,000 for implementing AI email systems, plus monthly management fees of $500 to $3,000 depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To get started, you'll need to become proficient with email marketing platforms and their AI features. You'll also need to understand email marketing best practices, deliverability optimization, and how to measure and improve campaign performance. The learning curve is moderate, but the potential returns are substantial. The fourth business idea is artificial intelligence-based customer service and chatbot solutions. Customer service is evolving rapidly, and AI chatbots are at the forefront of this transformation. Businesses are realizing that AI chatbots can handle a significant portion of customer inquiries, reducing costs while improving response times. But many companies struggle to implement these solutions effectively. You can build a business that specializes in creating and managing AI chatbot solutions for businesses. This includes designing conversation flows, training chatbots on company-specific information, and integrating them with existing customer service systems. The key is creating chatbots that feel natural and can handle complex inquiries while knowing when to escalate to human agents. Modern AI chatbots powered by language models like GPT can understand context, remember previous conversations, and provide personalized responses. They can handle everything from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders and scheduling appointments. For businesses, this means they can provide 24/7 customer support without hiring additional staff. The market for this service is huge because every business that interacts with customers online can benefit from AI chatbots. E-commerce stores, service providers, restaurants, healthcare providers, and countless other businesses need these solutions. You can charge anywhere from $2,000 to $1,000 for chatbot development and setup, plus monthly maintenance fees of $300 to $1,500. The technical requirements aren't as steep as you might think. Platforms like ChatFuel, ManyChat, and Dialogflow make it relatively easy to create sophisticated chatbots without extensive programming knowledge. The main skills you need are understanding customer service best practices, conversation design, and how to train AI systems effectively. The fifth business idea is artificial intelligence-powered performance marketing and ad optimization. Digital advertising is becoming increasingly complex, with multiple platforms, audiences, and optimization variables to manage. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how businesses approach performance marketing by enabling real-time optimization, predictive analytics, and automated campaign management. You can create a business that helps companies optimize their digital advertising campaigns using AI tools. This includes using artificial intelligence to identify the best audiences for ad campaigns and automatically adjusting bids based on performance data. Also, creating ad variations that perform better than manually created ads. Artificial intelligence can also predict which leads are most likely to convert, allowing businesses to focus their ad spend more effectively. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads already incorporate AI features, but most businesses don't know how to leverage them properly. Additionally, there are specialized AI tools for ad optimization like Optimizer, WordStream, and Albert that can significantly improve campaign performance. The value proposition is clear. Better ad performance means more revenue for your clients. When you can help a business increase their return on ad spend from 300% to 500%, they're happy to pay substantial fees for your services. You can charge percentage-based fees on ad spend, typically ranging from 10 to 25% of monthly ad budgets. Or you can charge a flat monthly fees ranging from $2,000 to $15,000, depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To succeed in this business, you'll need to understand digital advertising platforms, data analysis, and how to interpret performance metrics. You'll also need to stay current with AI tools and features as they evolve rapidly. The learning curve is steeper than some other options, but the potential revenue is also higher. Here are some key considerations for all of these business ideas. First, the artificial intelligence landscape is evolving rapidly. New tools and capabilities are being released constantly, so you need to commit to continuous learning. What works today might be obsolete in 6 months, but new opportunities will also emerge. Stay curious and keep experimenting with new AI tools and techniques. Second, while artificial intelligence can automate many tasks, human expertise is still crucial. Clients aren't just paying for AI tools, they're paying for your knowledge of how to use those tools effectively to achieve business results. Focus on developing deep expertise in your chosen niche rather than trying to be a generalist. Third, start with one business idea and master it before expanding. It's better to become an expert in AI-powered social media management, for example, than to offer mediocre services across all 5 areas. Fourth, build systems and processes from the beginning. The advantage of AI-powered businesses is scalability, but that only works if you have proper systems in place. Document your processes, create templates, and build workflows that can handle growth. Finally, focus on results, not just technology. Clients don't care about the AI tools you use, they care about the outcomes you deliver. Always frame your services in terms of business results. Increased sales, reduced costs, improved efficiency, or better customer satisfaction. The convergence of digital marketing and AI represents one of the biggest business opportunities of our time. These 5 business ideas are just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, new opportunities will emerge constantly. The key is to start now, while the market is still relatively unsaturated. Choose the business idea that aligns best with your current skills and interests, invest in learning the necessary tools and techniques, and start building your expertise. The businesses that establish themselves as AI marketing experts today will be the ones that dominate tomorrow. Remember, every successful business started with someone taking the first step. The AI revolution in digital marketing is happening whether you participate or not. The question is, will you be leading the change or watching from the sidelines? Now check out this video for more affiliate marketing secrets. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thanks for watching.